time to eat this mama. First time. Buo. First time. First time. What's your name?
Danny.
Danny, 2 more to go. Para sa sarap. Mura lang yan. Isang parang $22. This is a steal. Only $19. Yung special nila. Buo. First time ako kakain. First time. Sarap. I don't know how to eat this. Kasi nakukuha ko yung utol na. Tapos meron pa may ganyan. May bread. Pala umorder akong rice. And potato chips. Sarap. Paano natin ko tigirahan? Yes. Thank you, Lord. Sa lobster na ito. Salamat, Lord. Salamat, Lord. Makakain tayo ng ganito buo. I don't know how to eat this, but kunyari. Ang taba. Ako. Ay, saya. Mura. Ilagay natin itong natin. Sarap. Ito yung binabayaran dito. $5 ba tayo? Hello, what's your name? Danny. Really?
Been here 13 years.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I thought you're the owner.
I am not the owner.
I thought you're the one on the video.
I am the one on the videos, but no, I'm the one that does all the marketing and stuff.
Oh,
so.
yeah, you're good.
Thank you.
So, I'll order 2 more to go. This is our neighborhood. Ay, ito yung... Tapos may bundok. May bundok doon. Buksan mo, Betty. Buksan mo yung foods natin.
Puta na lobster.
Ayan, 1. 2. Ang sarap. Mura lang yan. Isang, parang $22.